Welcome to my channel IT World Hindi. In this video, we'll walk you through all the essential Docker commands from managing images and containers to using Docker Compose, Docker Swarm, and more. Whether you're new to Docker or looking to enhance your Docker skills, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. Docker images are the building blocks of containers. Let's start with some essential Docker image commands. You can use Docker pull to download an image, Docker images to list all available images, Docker RMI to remove images, and Docker tag to tag images. Additionally, Docker history shows the history of an image. We have Docker container commands. Use Docker run to create and start a container, Docker ps to view running containers, and Docker stop or Docker start to manage them. You can also remove containers using Docker rm and enter a running container shell with Docker exec-it command. Docker networking allows containers to communicate with each other. You can create a new network using Docker network create, list all networks with Docker network ls, and inspect a specific network using Docker network inspect. You can also connect and disconnect containers from a network using Docker network connect and disconnect. Volumes are used to persist data in Docker. To create a volume, use Docker volume create, and you can list them with Docker volume ls. To see details about a specific volume, Docker volume inspect is helpful, and to remove unused volumes, use Docker volume rm. You can attach volumes to containers with the -v flag when running containers. Docker services are used to run containers across the swarm. Create a service using Docker service create, list running services with Docker service ls, and view tasks within a service using Docker service ps. You can also update or remove services with Docker service update and rm. Docker Compose allows you to manage multi-container applications. Use Docker Compose up to start services defined in a Compose file and Docker Compose down to stop them. You can view running services with Docker Compose ps, check logs with Docker Compose logs, and verify the Compose file's syntax with Docker Compose config. Docker Swarm is Docker's native clustering solution. Use Docker Swarm init to initialize a swarm, and other nodes can join using Docker Swarm join. You can manage nodes with Docker node ls and remove a node from the swarm with Docker Swarm leave. To make changes to the swarm, use Docker Swarm. Finally, it's important to know your system's OS and kernel version. Use uname-a to view the kernel version and cat/etc/os release to check the operating system details. Thank you for watching this Docker tutorial. We hope this video helped you understand the key Docker commands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.